To install an extension into Chrome, if you know the name of the extension, you simply type it in. I'm going to add the Pinterest extension or button. So I'm going to type Pinterest extension, hit enter, and I'm going to try to find the Google Chrome Pinterest link. And it comes up like this: Pinterest, add to Chrome, add extension, and then you'll see it's already popped up right there. And that's all you have to do. And you can see all of my extensions are listed here. And any extra ones, when I click on my three dots or my More button, the other ones are listed here across the top. And that's all there is to add an extension. Now, if you go back, the Chrome Web Store, you can search through thousands of different extensions to see if there's anything there that you could use for your own benefit. And that's it. Thanks.